Here's a 2018 Dodge Challenger. Embrace your wild side with a car that never backs down. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Pentastar engine, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. You connect with Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, voice activation, manual tilting steering column, keyless go, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Road and Track explains, unlike the original Challenger, which had a shapely fuselage body that wrapped under at the rocker panels, the new car is slightly more slab-sided, but that's a good thing because it makes this muscular car look as if it is firmly planted to the tarmac. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road, leave average in the dust. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.